These professional quality auto darkening welding helmets from Renegade Industrial are the ultimate bang for your buck welding helmet on the market. Perfect for all your MIG, TIG, stick and arc welding needs. These helmets come with fully adjustable delay control, shade setting and variable sensitivity. With an extra large 100mm wide viewing area, this auto darkening welding helmet also has an inbuilt battery backup system and low battery warning light if you find yourself losing charge through its solar charging panel. The featured true color lens allows a wide color spectrum to pass through the lens, meaning colors and contours are easily recognized. You also get two clear protective lenses in the box. You get UV ray protection of up to shade DIN 15 at all times, with the variable dark shade between DIN 9 and 13. The switching time between light and dark is 1/10,000th of a second, and the delay can be adjusted between 0.5 to 0.8 seconds. You have three awesome designs to choose from too, to distinguish your helmet from the rest. Time to grab a new welding helmet or upgrade your old one? You can't look past these Renegade Industrial automatic true color welding helmets. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or grab yourself one from your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.